Meaning of number 0033. Expansion of your ways becomes evident when you remain yourself to the angels. In all these things, be open to the teachings they bring to you. The readiness for spiritual development makes your experience better. In the first place, you humble your ego. Humility ushers in ethical teachings for the future. With the angels leading the way, your intuitive nature becomes even sharper. The angels become your earnest companions. In short, you become a representative of the angels to others. You have to be enthusiastic about your life. Clowns are good for humor, but irrelevant to the realities of life. Then, remove the face mask you have now. You have to bring out the articulate part of you. Again, be passionate about following your dreams. Without that, you will live your life chasing other people's ideas. That is a good marker of a lack of inspiration in life. So, be ready to strive, sweat, and achieve what you dream about. Hard work must be in place for your dreams to materialize. That needs a lot of courage from your heart. It is the courage that will propel you through the dark future. When you cross into the unknown, you can make your destiny. Equally, you cannot harvest well if you do not farm in the fields. Again, you have to fight the tests that life brings to you. Comparatively to your life, the obstacles will be immense, but that is an advantage to your experience. When you have all the battles behind you, your peers will come for advice. Advertisement motivation is another blessing that you have to grab for a sober life. Life is a treacherous journey. Consequently, you have to bear with what comes along. Since you are unaware of what happens next, be ready for any eventuality. Your strong motivation should be the will to succeed. The angels will help clarify matters, but it is your great zeal to finish the race that will count. If you are dynamic, you will adapt to the unfolding events. On the contrary, remaining rigid may end up killing your dreams. The dynamics of life on Earth do not need a complex mindset. If you bring your mind to a good setup, you will realize that life is a simple affair. First, you have no limits in your life. The only thing that inhibits your thoughts is your brain. The unfavorable ideas of doubt and fear control your progress. Without them, you can venture and make great exploits. Consequently, live an intellectual life. Nothing beats your resolve to succeed. Once you have a positive mindset, you have nothing to stop your elevation. Good morals help you resolve to express yourself better. The angels bring divine morals to help you understand what needs to happen. Equally, you must help them by being obedient. Once that happens, your life becomes closer to perfection. When the angels lift you, be patient with others. You will have the chance to lead them in the right direction. Just as you are coming from the ashes, be kind to show them the way. Eventually, they will rise to your status. Then all will be good in the eyes of society. Living well with others is the choice to make. Once you find yourself out of the dust, remember you are one step out. You can slip back into oblivion if you do not conform to the divine teachings. Then be helpful to the support base around you. Try to motivate them to remain themselves and wait for divine elevation as much as possible. Forgiveness is the silent divine gift that heals your heart. When you forgive, you remove the anger in your heart. Mostly, you keep holding on unforgiveness to hurt others. In the first place, you deny yourself peace by constant negative thoughts. On the contrary, forgiveness gives you the confidence and strength to face your detractors. So lean on angelic wisdom to forgive others and move on with your life. Life without planning is the right call for failure. Indeed, every aspect of life requires proper planning. The creativity in place makes your going smooth. As you manage your life, your progress will be easy to alter in case of any problem. Also, taking stock to determine your progress will be a simple affair. Thus, follow the angels for support in the journey. Their ethical teachings will help you understand what is right and make you stronger than before. Love is the meeting of emotions. As the leader here, you have two primary things to do. The first is to pay attention to the needs of others. While identifying their needs, you have to articulate yours to them. It is prudent for them to understand your position. In essence, your mindset will give them the way out of the situation. Additionally, it will provide all of you with the meeting point of ideas. Therefore, be open to your loved ones before formulating any solutions. When you face the guardian angels, you have to be humble. By turning back to their world, you are in for ethical teachings. Again, you can start by praying to your Creator for guidance. Meditation and fasting are suitable for spiritual cleansing. You begin your learning process when you are meek and obedient to the angels. As they teach you, your partnership becomes stronger. The resulting blessings are joy and happiness. Thus, be humble to reap the divine benefits. Taking time to reanalyze your life yields a lot of blessings. They may not come immediately, but they will surely come. It is your inner wisdom that generates the interest of restoring your life. Besides that, you can transform your experience through steadfast collaboration with the angels. So, when you meet them, check what they offer quickly.